Do you need to take a quiz in Moodle and have it read to you? If so, ReadSpeaker Web Reader can help. First, navigate to your quiz in Moodle. Click on Attempt Quiz Now. Highlight the question and answer choices. Click on Listen from either the pop-up menu or from the web reader player.
Which ReadSpeaker product is used to read quizzes? Select 1. A. ReadSpeaker Quiz Reader. B. ReadSpeaker Doc Reader. C. ReadSpeaker Web Reader.
Select your answer. Continue the process of highlighting your question and answer choices, clicking Listen, and selecting your answer. Once you have completed the quiz, click Next. If you need to return to your attempt, click on Return to Attempt and complete the quiz. Otherwise, click on Submit All and Finish. Click Yes to confirm that you have completed the quiz and no longer wish to change any answers. After reviewing what your instructor allows you to see, click on Finish Review. You have now completed your quiz, and you are ready to continue with your lessons and activities.